Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the Broil Orifice assembly in your gas range, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Shut off the gas supply as well. Pull the range away from the wall so you can access the rear of the appliance. Fully open the oven door and rotate both door hinge locks back. Partially close the door, then lift and pull the door toward you to remove. With the handle side down, set the door on a blanket or towel. Remove the oven racks. Use a Phillips head screwdriver or a No. 2 square drive bit to unthread the broil burner tube mounting screw. Remove the shield. Detach the burner tube and disconnect the spark electrode wire to fully remove the burner tube. Be careful not to let the electrode wire slip behind the back panel. Next, unthread the screws securing the lower rear access panel. Lift the panel up and out. Use a 9/16 inch wrench and a 5/8 inch wrench to unthread the nut to release the gas supply tube from the Broil Orifice fitting. Now use the Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the two mounting screws securing the Broil Orifice fitting. Remove the old assembly. You're now ready to install the new Broil Orifice assembly. Be aware, if your range uses liquid propane, you will need to transfer the orifice from the old fitting to the new one. Insert the fitting through the rear of the oven. Then thread and tighten the mounting screws to secure. Insert the gas supply tube into the new fitting, then thread the nut. Be careful not to damage the tube by over-tightening the nut. Reposition the lower rear access panel. Thread the screws to secure. Reinstall the broil burner tube by first connecting the wire to the spark electrode. Position the burner tube over the orifice. Realign the shield. Then fully position the assembly and thread the front mounting screw. Replace the oven racks. Reinstall the oven door by inserting the door hinges into the hinge slots at a 45-degree angle. Lower the door to its fully open position, then rotate the hinge locks forward. Turn the gas supply back on. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and the gas range should be ready for use.